My name is Toby Duncan. I'm a patient of Dr. Lamb's. He did a hair transplant on me last February 2020. Since probably my mid-20s to late 20s, I'd started receding hairline and thinning and starting to get a bald spot on top, and I was actually pretty self-conscious about it. After doing quite a bit of looking into doctors in the Dallas area, I found Dr. Lamb, and it turns out he actually wrote the book on hair transplants, and he does continuing education for other doctors all over the US. So I decided he was probably the right guy to do my transplant. I'm extremely happy with it. He's restored my hairline back to something much more natural. It's much thicker and fuller. There's no more bald spot on top. I used to wear a hat all the time just because I was self-conscious of it, but now I don't really feel the need to. And I couldn't be happier with the work Dr. Lamb's done.